Whenever you are going to Jolly Boy Island, you must go for glass bottom boat ride to watch the coral reefs, to watch the marine lives in the transparent ocean. I am on a wonderful island, Jolly Boy Island, and I am going to a different world through glass bottom boat ride to watch magnificent marine life and coral reefs. Please come along with me. A complex and fascinating relationship of prey and predators exists in the ocean. To survive in the harsh marine environment, both the prey and predators employ an array of tactics to outsmart each other. The use of camouflage to remain undetected is one such tactic. This is best seen among reef fishes. False eyes and sudden color changes are other methods to deceive predators. When disturbed, an octopus ejects an ink-like fluid to temporarily blind the enemy and escape under cover of this smoke screen. Animals with no backbones, such as crabs, lobsters, shrimps, pearl oysters, sea stars, sea cucumbers, and many more reef dwellers found in the coastal waters of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Coral reefs are home to over 4,000 species of fish, hundreds of coral varieties, and innumerable marine algae and animals. Approximately a quarter of the total variety of marine life is found in coral reefs. The greatest diversity of marine fishes can be found in tropical coral reefs. These enormous storehouse of biodiversity are always teeming with thousands of inhabitants engaged in various activities like hunting, feeding, breeding, resting, and so on. Many inhabitants of a coral reef have a range of bright colors and bold patterns. Coral reef fishes use their spotted patterns to hide amongst the corals and remain unseen by predators. Other animals like the octopus can change colors instantaneously for confusing predators and also to communicate with other individuals of their species. butterfly fish, parrotfish, clownfish, reef sharks, and many invertebrates like jellyfishes, like sea stars, like sea cucumber thrive in nutrient-rich coral reefs. Even reptiles also feed in the reefs. Coral reefs act as natural barriers against unforeseen natural eventualities like cyclonic storms, like winds, like hurricanes, and so on. They play a vital role in protecting the coastal stretches, beaches, and human habitations. Coral reef products have been used by human beings in medicine for the treatment of chronic ailments such as cancer, cardiovascular diseases, and ulcers. Tourism, recreational, aesthetic, and educational values of coral reefs are immeasurable. These living laboratories of tropical biodiversity have immense research potential as well. But unfortunately, coral reefs are declining at a rapid pace, and the reasons are overexploitation, pollution of the oceans, coastal development, uncontrolled and excessive tourism, diseases and sedimentation, and changes in the water temperature and salinity. Among the natural predators of corals are the predatory starfish. It can devastate large colonies of corals in a short span of time. Similarly, fishes such as parrotfish feed on corals. Many other reef fish feed on the coral. These are, of course, natural balancing factors. The real threat to world's coral reefs is the irresponsible human activities. The creation of marine national parks, greater public awareness, and integrated conservation policies play a key role in conserving the existing coral reefs and other critically linked ecosystems and habitats such as seagrass beds, mangroves, beaches, etc.